Hi everybody and welcome back to my channel. My name is Jeanette and I'm with Jeanette's Reviews, and today I have a new subscription box. I have opened it but I haven't peeked, and I've been working with my stylist through the subscription for about 3 weeks now, and it is Mix and Match, and it's my first box with them. I did do the I guess it was the Go For It. I'm not sure on that. Let me look and see. I have an envelope here that has information in it. So this one's a little new to me. Bear with me here. There was 2 different ways to do this, and I believe for my first try of the box, I was able to do the Go For It style for a $5 box. There is another box that you can also order that I believe, I'm going to find the name of it here. It's called Take a Chance box, and that one is $105.99 monthly, and they guarantee to have over $400 worth of clothing in the box for that price of $105. So that's pretty interesting. I wasn't that risky. I just decided to try the Go For It box, which is normally $25 styling fee, and you get to apply that to anything you keep in the box. But for your first time box, it was only $5 as a promo. So my stylist is Anna, and she has been great contacting me. We've emailed numerous times back and forth. She's asked me questions of what I might like. You know, what do you think about a navy blazer, or you know, do you prefer some black jeans? Do you like camo? And we just went back and forth for quite a few emails. So that was very nice, very personalized. And then I guess once you get your box and you decide what you want to keep, you actually email her, and she contacts billing and goes through and gets the billing done for you. And another nice feature I just noticed once I've got my box here, I read on this one of these papers that they send you to explain how they work, that you can actually make payments, like 3 months worth of payment plans on stuff you want to keep in the box, instead of just having to pay for it all up front. That is a really nice feature, because you know, sometimes you're hesitant to buy everything just because you know that you don't really have it in your account at that time. So making payment plans is really nice. They send you a prepaid mailer to send back the items that you don't want to keep, and this is wrapped super nice. I'm going to show you here. My bundle came tied together, and 2 huge bundles in here tied together with this pretty wrapper. Isn't that cute? I mean, it's just like Christmas. So in the bottom of the box, I just see that I have a sheet. I guess it is the price list and what the items are. I'm gonna have to get my glasses on for that one. I'm gonna hold it up here. Maybe you can zoom in and see if there's anything in here that you like. You could request if you decide to try the subscription. $5, you can't really go wrong. So I'm gonna get in here and see what we've got. And I'm looking for my glasses. I'm gonna need those, I think. So I'm gonna take out this first bundle here, see what we've got. Oh, something very pretty right off the top here. It is a blouse by London Time Petites. Oh no, is it a blouse? Oh, if it's I think it's a dress. That might be a little short for me, although it is a petite because I am only 5'2". It has the elastic at the wrist. It looks like is it a faux wrap dress. I really love green and navy together. That is super pretty. And I do have a wedding to go to here at the end of the month. My niece is getting married, and that's so exciting. So we'll try that and see how that works. Prices aren't on the card, so I will list in. Oh yes, it is on here. It is. It is $65, and it looks like it's a size 10 petite. How they write it on that card. This is really cute. Super silky, stretchy jersey type material. And then the next item, this is a cardigan, This one is a size medium. It is $35. And I'm going to show you who it's by, so you can see that real well. And it is kind of a brick red. I don't know if the camera's picking that up very well. It's not red. It's kind of like an orangish red cardigan, pockets in the front. That's really cute too. It's super soft. This would be great for fall. I don't have anything in my closet like this as far as a cardigan goes in this color, so that's exciting. And what is the next item in here? This looks like it's a blazer by NYCC. It has the cinching or the ruching at the sleeves and faux pockets in the front. They're just faux. It's kind of a shorter little blazer. This could be cute with anything, even that dress that's in there. Or you could pair it with jeans and a white t-shirt. That's cute. And this one was, this one's only $55. Let me show you the tag there. So, and then in the second bundle, I'm really liking what's in here. Thank you, Anna. Super cute clothes. I think she's kind of got my style down after all of our communication. I mean, she really seemed to pick up and know me. All right, and this little bundle looks like there's quite a few things too. Another top, which looks like it has it's a faux wrap. It has that detail at the bottom here. It's kind of like that over wrap. I'm not sure what you call it. It's a high-low. And this one is by Gilli. And this one is only $30. I think that's a really fair price. It's that silky jersey material as well. And the color, it's playing with my eyes here a little bit. It's almost kind of like a navy with a hint of, you know, purple in there. It's very subtle, but it's just not your average navy. It's a pretty color. I like it. And then we have another floral top. This is a long sleeve with the crisscross detail at the top here in the front. Just a simple long, oh no, it's not a simple long sleeve. It's actually kind of got like that, it's not a bell sleeve because it's elastic here at the wrist, so I'm not sure what you call that. It's kind of like a balloon sleeve maybe. Just a simple rounded hem. And this one is, oh, my eyes are having trouble picking that up. That's who this one's made by. And this one is $32. I like it, it's pretty. Not sure about the mauve color in the flowers as much. I don't know if that's so much me, but we'll try that on, see how that is. Then here's another top. This is a navy and polka dot. This is adorable. Adorable. 3/4 length sleeve. Kind of your silky polyester material. Not really stretchy or anything. Just a simple, nice work blouse. This one is also by Gilli. And this one is at the price point of $36. Also, very good prices on these tops. That is cute. My colors for sure. I like green and navy. The last item was, she apologized over and over. She was trying to get a certain pair of pants in for me, and she was having trouble getting them in. And finally she said she couldn't wait any longer. She needed to just ship my box. She was feeling bad that I was waiting so long for it, which was fine. I was in no hurry, so I would have patience. So she did supplement the pants that she couldn't get with a pair of jeans. And these look like they're a boot cut. Super dark wash, Liverpool. So they have some stretch, no distressing, just a very dark, nice wash for fall. Definitely dress these up. You can see them with a pair of pointed boots or heels, high heels. And like I said, these are Liverpool. So I'm excited to try all this on, and I think she did a really good job with my box. So I will try this on. I'll be back, and in the description box down below I will list all the items that I was sent, what the prices were, what I ended up keeping, and I think there's a code that I can put in there to let you try your first box for a discounted rate. I'll have to see what my referral code's all about, just because this is new to me, but I think Anna did a very good job, and I'm excited to go try this on. So please subscribe if you like videos like this. I have several different subscription unboxings coming up, and I think my next one around the corner is a NADINE West. So let me try these on. I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back with the dress. I love this dress. It feels amazing. It's silky, it's flattering, it's not too form-fitting, it's the right length. I just paired it with a pair of Mary Janes. I might need to purchase myself some new shoes with this one, so I have something that matches it a little bit better. But the sleeves are comfortable. You can push them up if you'd like. They kind of hang in a bell fashion then. Otherwise, they're kind of just like a balloon sleeve when they're down long. It doesn't really have any adjustment here, and it doesn't have a sewn button or snap or closure of any kind. So that might be a little bit of an issue playing with it there. Maybe pinning it so that you could wear it to the office without showing too much cleavage. But out on date night, this is quite the cute little dress. I am really liking the colors. I love green and navy. So I think this is a keeper. I'm gonna go try on the other outfits. I'll be right back. Okay, back again with the other outfit. This is the Gilli short sleeve faux wrapped top in navy paired with the Liverpool jeans. These Liverpool jeans feel great. They almost feel like they have a built-in shapewear effect. They fit like a glove, super soft. The length is perfect. They would be great with a high-heeled pointed toe boot or some nice pointed toe pumps, I think. The top I like. I love the color, but for me it's just a little short. I prefer something that comes down a little farther. Like I said, I do like the jeans, so I'm not sure on these two. Might have to break the bank and go ahead and get the jeans. I don't have any bootcut jeans, so I'm gonna try on the other items still, and I'll be right back. And next up is the blazer, and this was a NYCC blazer in black. Has the ruching here at the sleeves, ruching. It's a good length. I just paired it with a white tee and kept on the Liverpool jeans just to kind of get you an idea, but this would look really cute with a simple white tee. The one I'm wearing is a little bit longer, but you kind of get the idea. It fits very nice. Buttons well. I don't know if there's like any pulling. I hate when things pull real tight in the sleeves and they don't have a stretch or a give. This is very stretchy, very comfortable, and it would pair nicely with dresses, or, you know, dress down with, like I said, white t-shirt, jeans. Could probably even wear a pair of sneakers with this and a pair of pearls. It'd be cute. So I have a few more things to try on. I'll be right back. Next, I'm back with the Gilli Hunter Green and Navy polka dot top, 3/4 length sleeve. Has a little stretch there. You could push them up. They won't really stay though. It's not tight enough for them to stay up, so they'll just fall where they are. It has a nice flow to it. I like the length. Kind of a wide neck. Still not too wide of a boat neck to where it doesn't show your bra. This one does not have stretch, so when I put my arms out like this, I do feel a little pull here in the upper arms. I kind of have more broad shoulders and a larger chest, so I do feel that pulling when I put my arms out like that, but I'm not doing that on a regular basis anyway, so I mean, just in, you know, regular feel, it feels nice. I do like this blouse. I'm just not sure if that tightness is gonna bother me as the day goes on here and there. Very pretty though, totally my colors. She hit the nail on the head though with the colors. I'll be right back. And I am back with the black floral top with the crisscross detail here in the front. I mean, it fits nice, it's soft, it has a good length. It has an elastic band here, and then it balloons out, and another elastic band here around the wrist. You could push it up. It looks like it will stay, but that might look funny. Hi, son. My son just walked in. But this is pretty tight here around the arms, and I do have a feeling that as the day goes on, that is going to feel pretty restricting. It's pretty tight right there. I'm really having to pull at it, so I don't think this one is a keeper, although I like the print. I have a few things in my closet with this crisscross detail already, and I think that it's gonna be a trend that will be fading out quickly. To have too much of that, too much of one thing. Same like with the cold shoulder, too many cold shoulder tops I feel kind of are going to slowly go out of style, and I don't want my closet full with all that kind of stuff. I really like classic pieces that I can continue to mix and match through my wardrobe for years to come. So I still have the cardi to try on, so I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back with the cardigan, and I really love the color of this cardigan. It's kind of like a rust burnt orange. They call it brick red, but it might be just a little tight as far as if you're gonna wear anything that has a sleeve underneath it, because this is very form-fitting to your arm. It's got the nice long cozy sleeves, front pockets, super soft. It's kind of just like got some ribbing going on there around the pockets, you can see. Super, super soft. I really do love this. I don't know if I should size up. I appreciate any comments, what you think of these outfits down below. Let me know what you think. I do like this mix and match box. Say that 10 times fast, right? I tried to get my son to come and say hello, but he didn't want to have any part of my video, so I have to show you a picture of him because he is such a handsome devil, isn't he? Anyway, stay tuned to my channel. Like I said, I have some other unboxings coming up. I do have a NADINE WEST that's coming, and I believe I have another stitch fix. I did ask for a all dress fix for the wedding that I have coming up at the end of the month. Although the dress in this box I really love. I think I'm definitely keeping that. I love this cardi, and the jeans are super soft, so it's going to be a tough decision. Who knows, maybe I can keep it all since you can make payments on it over a period of 3 months. And I want to thank Anna for all of her communication back and forth, and she's just really a great stylist. So if you get a chance to try it out, mix and match, try the box, ask for Anna. Thanks you all for watching. Bye-bye. And I'm back. I forgot to mention that if you keep 5 or more items in the box, then you get 25% off your total on top of that. So I just wanted to kind of share with you the price list and everything that was in the box, what it runs, if you can zoom in, what it would be with the discount. So I had forgot to mention that the price of the Liverpool jeans was $79. So anyway, try out your first box, $5, can't beat it. Take care, y'all.